I'm going to bring it out now so you guys see what the hair looks like. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, you are welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and thank you so much for tuning in. My name is ChinEnyeEE, and I am a Nigerian YouTuber living here in Lagos, and I am currently 7. You guys know the drill by now. This video is a hair review video, okay? I'm sure from the title you already know I'm gonna feel so different in this video. I've been wanting to own the hair for a very long time, so I picked this hair because, like I said, it's something I wanted to have, and because of the coils it comes with. It's a crochet wig. Crochet. If I disgrace myself and my village people in this video. It's a crochet wig, but the style is literally what I wanted to have. I picked this particular wig because it's something I've always wanted to have, like I said, and because of its fullness and the volume, I figured that anytime I rock hairs like this, it just suits my face type. It just suits my round, because I have a round face, if I'm not mistaken. I have a round face, so when I get hairs that have volume, it just suits me and it suits my face structure, my face type. So basically that's why I got this hair, and that's why I picked it. So I got the hair delivered to me through DHL. It came in the normal DHL nylon. They sent it down here in Lagos. It took like 3 to 4 business working days. That's how long it takes before they send out the package. Okay, it takes like 3 to 4 working days before you get it delivered to you. I got the hair from Black Hair NG. I'm definitely going to leave their name on the screen and the link to their Instagram page or their website in the description box. Okay guys, first off, let me clear this is not a paid video. This is not a sponsored video. I'm doing this because I literally want to show you guys this unit, and if you like it just like I did, you could literally shop it from them. It would be like a free review, a free, you know, advert, a free influencing for them, but that's not what I'm doing here. I'm doing this because I want to do it for you guys, so you guys see what this is. So I'll show you guys this week so you guys know what it looks like, so I don't keep rambling in your faces. It came in this bag, the DHL bag with their logo. So that's how the hair came in. I'm just going to tear this so you guys see what the hair looks like. So this is the hair. I don't know if you guys can see it. It has their logo on it. It came in this black satin bag, and from what I've heard and from what I've seen, they say satin bags are literally like the best bags to store your wig. And this is so lovely, guys. Can you guys see? Black Hair _ NG. I'm going to bring it out now so you guys see what the hair looks like. Okay. Ooh. Oh my days, guys. They gave me this. Oh wow, this is so lovely. I wasn't expecting this. I didn't order for this. I think it's a free gift, I guess. So this is what the hair looks like. An headband wig. Can you guys see that? It comes with pins as well. Securely ties them on your head, and yeah. So this is what it looks like. Wow, I got a wig cap too. Okay, another free gift. This is so thoughtful of them, honestly. This is so thoughtful. So back to this wig. I honestly love what I see here. Can you guys see the volume I'm talking about with the coil? It's so lovely, guys, and it's bouncy and it's so soft. It smells nice too. Damn, it smells nice. This is a crochet wig. I'm sure you guys can see the inside. I'm trying to come close so you guys can see it. See, this is handmade. Yep, so this is what it looks like, and I'm loving it. So literally I could just rock this any day. I do not want to stress myself with so much styling and straightening, and I mean, I just put this on my head and I am so good to go anywhere, work wise, date wise, the girls, outing with the girls, you know, those couple of good stuff. I got the wig for 17,000 naira aside delivery. Okay, so I think delivery was about 2k or so, if I'm not mistaken. It's in the name Wig Diane. Yeah, Wig Diane. So this is what Wig Diane looks like. I'm going to wear this so you guys see what it looks like. Okay, just going to take this out. Wow, guys, I'm a beauty. Guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing? Okay, I just want to like style this, and let's see what we have here. Guys, can you see this? The volume is insane. I love this. This is so beautiful. Damn. Okay guys, this is what the hair looks like. I could literally like rock this any way, any style, anyhow. This is what the side pattern looks like. Guys, this is so beautiful. Guys, this is so beautiful. Goodness. Okay, let's see. I could like literally put this to the back so you guys get to like see the forehead drama. So this is what this looks like. Literally like pulling everything to the back. You can style this any way you want. Like you can style it as a bun, just anyhow, whatever suits your style. Guys, this is me. I've been sleeping on this wig for so long. Damn. Wig Diane is like my fave. This is so beautiful, so lovely. So you guys can see where the length is. It's like shoulder length, and the volume is moderately fine for me. I'm okay with this. I love what I have here. I love what I see here. I really am fine with this, and this really works well for me, works well for my style basically. So lightweight too, very, very lightweight. You won't even feel like you have anything on your head. The band is not too tight. It's not all those type that you put in your head, and when you clip it or when you like lock it at the back, starts giving you headache. No, this is not it. This is very, very nice and very cool. I'm loving this. This is so beautiful, guys. Guys, I want to rock this with the hair so you guys see what it looks like. Yeah, I'm just going to place this on my head, okay? So this is what we look like with the headband on. So you could rock it like this, or you could rock it without this. You could style it any way, any style you want to. Okay, that's about that for this video, guys. I just basically wanted to show you this new unit I got, and seeing that it was from a Nigerian brand. I know a lot of you might be into this style just like I am, so that's why I brought it on here so you guys could see it. So if you literally love what you see, you could like send them a message, send them a DM, and let them get to like sort you out on the one you want or your style. So I'm going to like leave all the details in the description box down below so you get to see it and shop from their website or shop through their DM on Instagram. So guys, let me know what you think about this wig. Is this something you would rock? Is this something you would get? Let me guys know. Let me know what you feel about this wig. Does it suit me well? Does it, you know, suit my skin tone? And yeah, I forgot to mention it comes in different colors. Okay, so I wanted this. This is like a light brown, I think in color 2. So there are different colors you could pick from if you want to get yours. Okay, so please let me know what you feel about this in the comment section. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, share this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.